Students, today we're going to start learning about the inside of where we live, which is the earth. So, to start off today, I'm going to read this book to you, and it is titled The Magic School Bus Inside the Earth. Does anyone have an inference of what this book might be about? Yeah, you're right. So, just from hearing the title, we think that we're probably going to be learning about what is inside the earth, maybe what makes up the inside of the earth. So let's get started. And I'm going to read the book to you.
In Miss Frizzle's class, we had been learning about animals as homes for almost a month. We were pretty tired of it, so everyone was happy when Mrs. Frizzle announced, "Today we start something new." "We are going to study about our Earth," said Miss Frizzle. She puts us to work writing reports about Earth science, and for homework she said,
All right, so now that we've finished the book, let's talk about what we've learned. So Earth has 3 inner layers, is what Miss Frizzle taught us. These are the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. Can anyone remember the outermost layer of the Earth, though? There was one more thing. That's correct. It is the crust. So we have the mantle, the outer core, the inner core, and the crust. So next we're going to watch a quick video just about these layers of the earth. So everybody pay attention to this video, please.
The crust comprises of the continents and ocean basins. The crust has a variable thickness, being more in the continents and less in the ocean basins. The crust is composed mainly of aluminosilicates. The next layer is the mantle, which is composed mainly of iron, magnesium, and silicon.
All right. So we learned even more in that video about Earth and the layers of the Earth. So I've drawn a diagram on the board that has an Earth, okay? So who can tell me what this around the outside is? Can anyone tell me so we can fill it in and have a visual? That's right, that is the crust. So I'm going to write crust along the outside. Okay, so now, what is our next layer in there? This layer right in here. No, we didn't have the core first. That's right, it was the mantle. So in here, I'm going to write mantle. Next, we have this part right under the mantle. Who remembers what that part was? That's right, that's the outer core. All right, now who remembers what was in the very middle? It's just kind of like the outer core, but it's the inner core. And we found out that the inner core is very, very hot. So we have the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and then the inner core. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to have you each table group go grab an iPad. And once you have an iPad, we are going to go to the website I have on the board. It is boardworks.co.uk, and you guys are just going to have to type that all in, okay? So, everyone give me a thumbs up once you're ready to go. All right, looks like everyone's ready. So, who can read to me what the instructions say to do? All right, so we're going to press the buttons to find out about the structure of the Earth in greater detail as we delve beneath the surface of the planet. So let's press start. Which should we click on first? Should we start in the middle? Okay, so we're going to click inner core. It says the thickness is up to 1,200 kilometers and the temperature is between 5,000 and 6,000 degrees Celsius, and that is very, very hot. It says pressure within the inner core is so great that it does not melt. This means that the inner core is solid. So do you think you could dig to China like some people think you can do? No, you're right, you cannot. So let's go through all of the rest of these. The outer core, the mantle, and the crust. The last thing we're going to do for our activities is we're going to actually make a pizza, and we are going to practice our different levels, okay? So we're all going to go wash our hands and make our pizza. We come back, we've made our pizza. Okay, so here is a pizza that we made. We see on the outside we have a layer of marinara sauce, and that is our crust, okay? And you can look on the board and see where the crust is on our diagram. Next, we have a layer of cheese. That is our mantle. Next, we have this small circle of cheese. That is our outer core. And then we have more marinara sauce in the middle, and that is our inner core. So great job making that pizza with me. You guys listened really well. And I'm going to go put that into the oven after our last thing that we're going to do. So for our exit today, we're going to do a quick Kahoot quiz. So everybody pull up your Kahoot app. You got it pulled up. Okay, so I'm going to click play. And we're going to work in our teams. So I'm going to click team mode and get into your teams. Okay, let's get this going, start. So our game pin is 189350, enter. Oh, I even entered it wrong. All right, here we go. Team name, awesome. Nickname, Miss Awesome. Ready. Okay. There's the name of our team. Let's start. Everybody ready? Here we go. What layer of the earth goes around the outside? What do we think? All right, looks like the answers are in. And everyone got it right. It's the crust. Good job. All right, we'll do one more question on here real quick. Next, what layer of Earth is closest to the very center of Earth? So, what do we think it is? Let's see who got it. Oh, everyone got it right. Great job. And that is all for our lesson today on the layers of the earth.